Welcome back to another episode of Writing Fun. I'm Aleesah Darlison and I'm the author of over 50 children's books, including the League of Llamas Series. So today we're going to talk about problems. Problems. Every story needs a problem. There's no true narrative unless there is a problem for your character to face. So what I would do is always start off with a bit of brainstorming and make a list of some problems that my character could face.
Okay, so problems. Let's have a think about some problems that our secret agent characters could face. Now, these don't have to be complex, and we don't have to make it complex by putting it straight onto a computer or doing anything fancy with it. Often it's best just to work with pen or pencil and paper. So a problem that our llama secret agents could face. They could get lost, couldn't they? Or lose a precious item. Something could be stolen from them, okay? Like in the golden llama, something gets stolen. And what else? We could have a natural disaster that our characters are facing. There could be a flood, a fire, a storm. We could have one of our characters is sick or injured, so they can't do their secret agent job, or they let the team down. We could have an invasion. In the stories, we sometimes see other animals coming in and doing naughty things. We'd have an invasion of chickens. Oh, I wonder if that would be scary. And we could have an invasion of badgers. General Bottom Burp, he's a bad guy in the stories. So we could have an invasion of badgers. So there's a couple of things we could do. What else? We might have, one of our characters could be trapped, or they could be kidnapped. But if it's a llama who's kidnapped, maybe it's llama napped. So we could have our character llama napped. Oh my goodness, what could we do there? Okay, so we've got our story problems which relate to our llama secret agents. And what you can then do is choose one of those problems and move forward with it for your story, okay? You don't need to make it too complex. You can just use one thing. So you might have a special item or files or a precious gemstone that's been stolen, and it's up to your character to solve that problem.
Now, if you would like to send through your list of story problems for me to have a look at, you can contact me through my website, aleesahdarlison.com, or via my Instagram page, Aleesah_Darlison. I'd love to hear all about your ideas and the problems that you have created for your characters. Good luck with your brainstorming and good luck with your writing. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.